Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can summarize PDF in ChatGPT. Well, basically, we have another AI tool here to basically summarize your PDF. This is ChatPDF. So what is ChatPDF? As you can see, it is a specialized platform that utilizes ChatGPT technology to offer advanced PDF processing capabilities aimed at a diverse user base including students, researchers, and professionals. The service is engineered to summarize PDF content and responds to queries related to it. So while the platform currently operates on GPT 3.5 technology, it is exploring the integration of GPT 4. So to use this tool here, you just need to go to chatpdf.com and you will find this homepage. So if you're going to scroll down, you'll find some information about this tool. So as you can see here, ChatPDF is an AI-powered app that will make reading journal articles easier and faster. So simply upload the PDF and start asking it questions. So just drop PDF right over here. So we're gonna click this one and find a PDF file on your computer. Just click on that and it will automatically generate this PDF file. So as you can see right from here, you can actually adjust this one. So for example, I just want to maximize the chat. So right from here, as you can see, it gives you some information from that PDF. And basically, if you want to summarize this one, just type here at the box, summarize this PDF. So if you're going to type like this and you're going to click enter, so you can see it will automatically summarize the PDF file. So here it says the PDF contains excerpts from the short story Joy by Anton Chekhov. The story revolves around Mitya Kuldarov, a registration clerk who is ecstatic to discover that his name has been published in the newspaper, making him a celebrated figure throughout Russia. So as you can see, it is simple to use and very easy to operate this chat PDF. And you can also ask any question from here, just like example questions. So just click on this and it will ask this chat PDF. And as you can see, it will generate the answer. So yeah, that's how you simply use this tool right here to summarize your PDF. You just simply upload the file on chatpdf.com website. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.